I would like to congratulate the young senator of Bungoma for raising the issue of bending bills. And like Senator Sifuna has said, it is so unfortunate that our former speaker could hold this house in contempt. I want to appeal to the governor of Bungoma, Lusaka, don't provoke me. Mr. Speaker, he owes us because he has spent 25 million shillings planting grass on a stretch of 600 meters, and he's saying it cost him 25 million shillings. If you want to question the integrity of an institution like the Senate, you should start with demonstrating integrity in your own office. And as Sifuna would say, he who seeks for justice should come with clean hands. Finally, Mr. Speaker, I want to comment on the issue of the toy market. It is concerning that we are picking information that 100 million shillings in the last budget had been put for improvement of that market. We want to see how much of that money had been expended so as to discount the possibility that this could have been a deliberate action of destroying evidence should this House have wanted to find out how that 100 million had been expended. Finally, Mr. Speaker, we want to call upon the planning department in the city of Nairobi to help the governor to plan properly, put strategic positions for fire stations so that they can access incidences faster, and two, to create proper routes, proper roads for ambulances and fire trucks into our low-income resident areas, because we are not going to wish them away. We'll always have these low-income residential areas and marketplaces. They should be accessed properly by ambulances and by firefighters. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Essie.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for this opportunity. I want to support the statement by Senator Beth Siengo on disbursement of funds to technical vocational training institutions. And this is because TVET education is very critical in this country, because we are basing on equipping young people with technical skills so they are able to do whatever initiatives they do on their own, Mr. Speaker. But allow me also to indicate that on that same line of education, we can keep following